In the year 1656, amidst the turmoil of the Anglo-Spanish War, a daring maritime event took place that would forever etch its mark in history, the raid on Málaga. As tensions escalated between the Kingdom of England and the Spanish Empire, British forces sought to strike a decisive blow against their powerful adversaries. Led by Admiral Robert Blake, a seasoned naval commander, a formidable fleet was assembled, setting its sights on the prosperous port city of Málaga. On that fateful day, the English fleet launched a relentless assault on the heavily fortified city, catching the Spanish defenders by surprise. The thunderous roar of cannons echoed across the Mediterranean, signaling the beginning of an intense and brutal confrontation. The battle raged on for hours, with both sides displaying unwavering determination. The Spanish garrison fought valiantly, but the relentless barrage from the English warships proved too much to bear. Despite facing fierce resistance, Admiral Blake's strategic brilliance and the sheer might of the British fleet gradually turned the tide of the battle. The once mighty defenses of Málaga started to crumble under the relentless onslaught. As the sun set on that eventful day, the English forces successfully breached Málaga's fortifications, causing panic and chaos among the city's inhabitants. The plunder and destruction that followed were a grim reminder of the brutal realities of war. The aftermath of the raid was felt far beyond the battlefield. Málaga's once thriving economy suffered a severe blow, and the city's people endured untold hardship in the wake of the devastation. Despite the loss and destruction, the raid on Málaga became a symbol of British naval prowess and further fueled the flames of conflict between England and Spain. The echoes of the raid on Málaga continue to resonate throughout history, reminding us of the cost of war and the enduring impact of such events on nations and societies. And so, the raid on Málaga stands as a testament to the indomitable spirit of those who fought on both sides, leaving an indelible mark on the annals of the Anglo-Spanish War. As we reflect on this momentous event, let us remember the sacrifices made and strive for a future where conflicts can be resolved through dialogue and diplomacy. Subscribe to my channel if you like these historical videos and click on the top left box for the story of the raid on the Medway. Thanks for watching.